You need to hear this if you're a business owner or financial analyst. CVP Analysis is a crucial financial tool that helps businesses understand the relationship between costs, sales volume, and profit. In our first lecture video, we will start from Part 2 of CMA USA, which is Strategic Financial Management. The largest portion of the Part 2 exam comes from Section C, so let's dive into that area first. CVP analysis, also known as break-even analysis, determines the point at which total revenue equals total cost, resulting in zero profit or loss. That's where cost volume profit, CVP analysis, comes in. It's a powerful tool that helps businesses understand the relationship between their sales volume, costs, and profits. CVP analysis is like a financial GPS for your business. It guides you towards profitability by showing you how much you need to sell to reach your financial goals. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, CVP analysis is essential. It helps you make informed decisions about pricing, production levels, and sales targets. There are certain assumptions in CVP analysis that you need to be aware of. First, sales volume is the only factor that affects costs, and all costs can be categorized as either fixed or variable. In the case of mixed costs, they can be split into fixed and variable. Second, sales price, variable cost per unit, sales mix, and total fixed cost remain constant. Third, the number of units sold equals the number of units produced. Lastly, the time value of money is not considered. There is a direct relationship between changes in cost and the break-even point. Conversely, there is an inverse relationship between changes in the sales price per unit and the break-even point. In the following sections, we'll break down the key components of CVP analysis and show you how to use it to improve your business's bottom line. Smooth transition effect to next section. To master CVP analysis, you need to understand its fundamental building blocks. These are the key ingredients in the CVP recipe. Fixed costs stay the same regardless of production. Think rent, salaries, and insurance. Variable costs fluctuate with production. Think raw materials and direct labor. Sales price per unit is how much you charge for each product or service. Contribution margin is the difference between sales revenue and variable costs. Understanding these components is crucial for effective CVP analysis. One of the most critical uses of CVP analysis is determining your break-even point. This is the point where your total revenue equals your total costs. You're not making a profit, but you're not losing money either. Finding your break-even point is like finding the financial pulse of your business. It tells you exactly how much you need to sell to cover all your expenses and start generating profit. To calculate your break-even point, you can use the following formulas. Break-even sales volume in units is calculated by dividing fixed costs by contribution margin per unit. Break-even sales revenue in dollars is calculated by dividing fixed costs by contribution margin ratio. The contribution margin ratio is simply the contribution margin per unit divided by the selling price per unit. It tells you what percentage of each sales dollar contributes to covering fixed costs and profit. Let's say your fixed costs are $10,000 per month. Your contribution margin per unit is $200, and your contribution margin ratio is 40%. Your break-even sales volume would be 50 units, which is $10,000 divided by $200. Your break-even sales revenue would be $25,000, which is $10,000 divided by 0.4. Knowing your break-even point helps you set realistic sales targets and make informed decisions about pricing, costs, and production levels. It's a crucial piece of information for any business owner. Section 4. Reaching for Profits Target Profit Analysis. CVP analysis isn't just about breaking even. It's about reaching your profit goals. Target profit analysis takes CVP a step further by calculating how much you need to sell to achieve a specific profit target. Think of your target profit as your financial destination. Target profit analysis helps you map out the route and determine the sales volume needed to get there. To calculate your target profit sales volume, you can use the following formula. Target profit sales volume in units is equal to fixed costs plus target profit divided by contribution margin per unit. Let's say you want to achieve a target profit of $5,000 per month. Using the same example as before, your target profit sales volume would be 75 units, which is $10,000 plus $5,000 divided by $200. Target profit analysis allows you to set ambitious yet achievable financial goals for your business. It helps you align your sales targets with your profit aspirations. Section 5. A real-world example, smartphone success. Let's say you're running a company that sells smartphones. Your fixed costs, including rent, salaries, and marketing, amount to $50,000 per month. Your variable costs per smartphone, including manufacturing, shipping, and royalties, are $200. You sell each smartphone for $400. Using CVP analysis, you can calculate your break-even point and target profit sales volume. Your contribution margin per unit is $200, which is $400 minus $200. Your contribution margin ratio is 50%, which is $200 divided by $400. To break even, you need to sell 250 smartphones per month, which is $50,000 divided by $200. To achieve a target profit of $20,000 per month, you need to sell 350 smartphones per month, which is $50,000 plus $20,000 divided by $200. CVP analysis helps you understand the financial dynamics of your smartphone business. It allows you to make informed decisions about pricing, production levels, and sales targets to achieve your profitability goals. Section 6. Test Your Knowledge Interactive CVP Challenges. Now it's your turn to put your CVP knowledge to the test. Here are a few interactive questions to challenge your understanding. If a company's fixed costs increase, how will it affect its break-even point? If a company reduces its variable costs per unit, how will it affect its contribution margin? If a company wants to achieve a higher target profit, should it increase its sales volume or reduce its costs? Think carefully about each question and try to apply the CVP concepts we've covered. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become in using CVP analysis to make sound business decisions. Section 7. The power of CVP analysis, making smarter business decisions. Mastering CVP analysis empowers you to make smarter, more profitable business decisions. It's like having a financial crystal ball that helps you anticipate challenges and capitalize on opportunities. By understanding the relationship between costs, volume, and profit, you can make informed decisions about pricing strategies, determining the optimal pricing for your products or services to maximize profitability, cost control, identifying areas where you can reduce costs without compromising quality or efficiency, sales targets, setting realistic and achievable sales goals to reach your financial objectives, and product mix, analyzing the profitability of different products or services, and optimizing your product mix accordingly. CVP analysis is an indispensable tool for any business owner or manager. Incorporating it into your financial decision-making process can mean the difference between simply surviving and truly thriving. So embrace the power of CVP analysis and watch your business reach new heights of success.